Welcome to me explaining what's happening in my simulation. So here I'm choosing a cell to control. On the left you can see that at the beginning it's I'm not controlling it, and then I'm controlling it. So on the left you can see general health, speed, and uh, state of health of the digestive system. The more it decreases, uh, the slower cell can generate energy and build up mass. Uh, if the cell eats too much in one take, then it suffers a little damage. Uh, but it also can regenerate, so it can sum up to zero. But more often it decreases digestive HP. Here you can see two cells connected to each other. Uh, it's due to adhesive membrane. Uh, I'm still working on it, so I wasn't able to separate them. Uh, on the left you can see that my cell has too much of proteins, and so it suffers a little of damage, but it also regenerates at the same time, so it's zero. First, to energy, uh, uh, I'm sorry, don't know how to say it. It's my first video with me explaining. English is not my first language. Right now, all other cells are controlled by random move, uh, movements. So, uh, as you can see, it's not that difficult to stay alive in this simulation, because almost 40 cells are still alive at 10,000 ticks. Uh, Green cells are uh, just cells, and gray cells have adhesive membrane. It works only on their back, so I'm not uh, glued to them if I touch them in any other place. As you can see, I ate too much, and I have too much of proteins, and so my digestive HP decreases. Uh, uh, right now I am erratically move because so that I can burn some energy. Um, Cell has energy capacity, maximum energy capacity, so it can't produce more energy than that. And as you can see, this cell has 17,000 and 700 around that. And so, as it burns energy, proteins being translated into energy again, and now they below the limit, and my digestive HP starts to rise again. Now there is only 10 cells left, 9. These dark brown squares are leftovers of uh, dead cells, after dead cells, and these squares are plants. They can evolve, and their color depends on uh, level of chlorophyll and uh, on the ratios cell contains of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. I don't know, sugars. Now I am fast forwarding with the speed of 11 ticks per frame. I have too much of proteins. Only 2 cells left. This cell above seems to not be able to eat. I will click on it soon and we will see. As you can see, its digestive health are at 0, and so it can't eat and can't translate proteins, sugars, and lipids to energy, and so it soon will die. This is the general view. Right now my plants are evolving like a general genetic algorithm, and they search all space at once. Uh, I guess I should make them uh, to mutate in steps, instead of just randomly changing bits in a random place. Now I am changing the map. Now you can see water distribution, uh, carbon distribution, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and all at the same time. I can make invisible plants or soil. There is 8,000 thousandths energy left in this cell, so I am waiting for it to expire. I have zero health in my digestive system, and it's gone.